Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a close look at the Hisewen PSP battery, a 3.6-volt, 1800 mAh battery designed specifically for the Sony PSP 1000 series, including models 1001 through 1010 and the PSP Fat PSP 110 console. If you're still using one of these classic handhelds, you know how critical it is to have a reliable battery to keep the gaming sessions going. This battery is built with a high-capacity 1800 mAh cell and operates at 3.7 volts, giving you the extra power you need to extend your playtime significantly compared to the original battery. It's designed as a professional replacement, so it fits perfectly in your PSP 1000 without any modifications or compatibility issues. Safety is a key feature of the Hisewen battery. It includes multiple circuit protections, shielding your device from overcharging, short circuits, high temperatures, and power surges. The battery casing itself is fire-resistant, adding another layer of protection during use. Along with the battery, Hisewen includes a powerful 2-in-1 USB charging cable. This cable isn't just for the PSP 1000 series. It also supports PSP 2000 and 3000 series, as well as the PS3 DualShock 3 controller and the E1000 console. At just over 4 feet long, it provides plenty of length to comfortably charge your device while playing or resting. When you purchase this package, you receive one PSP 1001 battery and one USB charging cable. The setup is straightforward, and there's a 30-day money-back guarantee, which offers some peace of mind if you're hesitant about third-party batteries. Physically, the battery is compact and lightweight, weighing just under 4 ounces. The package dimensions are small, making it easy to store or carry as a backup for travel. It's manufactured by Olitech Electronics, a company that specializes in electronics accessories, and was first made available on Amazon in October 2025. Whether you're a nostalgic gamer keeping your original PSP 1000 alive or someone looking for a reliable backup battery, the Hisewen PSP battery and charger combo delivers both capacity and safety. It's a simple, effective way to extend your console's life and ensure uninterrupted gameplay. That's it for today's product critique review. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more honest product evaluations and tech insights.